the farther I move this finger away. In other words, as I increase my OID, do you see what happens to that shadow?
Bigger.
Right? So the more you increase your OID, the more distance you have between this and your object, the bigger it becomes. So, like Jalisha said, you have your heart. It's located here in the front of your chest. When you are doing an AP, you're putting it far away from your IR, and so it looks bigger. You turn around, you put it right next to your IR, it looks the correct size. It's smaller, it's the correct size. So that's why we want to do PA whenever possible. Okay? Why do you think we do lateral chest x-rays with the left side against the board instead of the right side?
The same
More
reason.
closer to the IR.
Good. Heart's on the left side. So we put the left side close to the IR, keep the heart as small as we can, make it look like its true size. If we try to do it like this, heart is away from the IR, it gets magnified once again. Make sense?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, come back over in. So back against the board. So we only do this if the patient cannot do a PA for whatever reason. Maybe the patient can't stand, so we brought them in on a stretcher, swing the legs over, back against the board. Okay, something like that. We set up the exact same way we do for a PA. So what is our first step?
T7.
Good, T7. How do we find the T7 on this patient? Because nipple. Okay, so we can look for nipple line. We can look 4 inches below the jugular notch. We can look for the axillogram. Right? Unfortunately, we can't look for C7 because that's behind the patient now. So you have to use one of your other century plates. Okay, so this is going to be about axilla. Okay, nipple line is going to be right about here. Jugular notch, okay, 4 inches down. So we're in that ballpark, we're in that range, okay? What do we do now? I've taken my tube, I've centered it to T7. Good, now we move the wall bucky. Okay, take that laser, line it up with the dot. Okay, now what do we do?
Do I have to?
Left, right, sagittal.
Good, now we're going to center our mid-sagittal plane. I'm going to take you and I'm going to slide you a little bit to your right. Good. So, you see we're here in the mid-sagittal plane. You see the shadow of the shoulders. Okay, it should be the same on both sides of the patient. Okay, now what should we do? Just like the PA, what did we do next?
Do coloration, make it smaller.
Okay, almost. Okay, one step in between that. Good, roll the scapulas, roll the shoulders. So, hands on your hips, and then bring
Swing.
those shoulders forward.
Chicken swing.
Chicken wings, very good. Okay, and now we can collimate. So, we have a lot of light above the shoulders, we're gonna bring that down, okay? Bring that down until we're right here at the top corner of the shoulders. Right here at the top corner of the shoulders. Okay. We have a bit of light on the sides as well. So we can collimate in. Okay, get it nice and close to where the skin is going to be. Right, this is radiation protection. We want to minimize the amount of X-rays that are reaching the patient. All right, what do we do next? Marker. Good. So, which marker are we going to use?
IP left.
AP.
Left.
Left AP. Good. Take our left marker, we put it here, AP. Remember, you're going to put this on the patient's left. Do not put it on your left. I know you're laughing, but it's an easy mistake to make, even for our seniors. So always check to make sure you're on the correct side of the patient. Okay. Final thing, I'm gonna lift your chin up just a little bit. Make sure the chin isn't in your lungs. All right. We're now fully positioned. What do we do?
Breath injection.
Breathe into it.
Breathing instructions. Okay, so Daniel.
Question.
Oh,
So
yes,
for
sure.
lateral, we also do breathe, right?
Yes, for the lateral, we also do breathing. It's always breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and hold.
With the AP chest, PA chest, and lateral, we
For all the
breath,
chests.
but with the like the limb, like no, like the hand, arm, or like no breath.
When it's just the
No,
foot or
just-
the
just
hand,
the
he's
chest.
saying
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
just the chest needs a
Just the
breath.
Just the chest,
No.
yes. So we're gonna learn different breathing instructions for each part of the body.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
For
okay.
any of these chest x-rays, it's always one inspiration, one expiration, second inspiration, suspended respiration. It's always breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, hold. And for every single chest we're doing today. So, Daniel,
Yes.
this time if you would be the one to give the breathing instructions, please.
Okay. Amy, if you could breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, hold,
X-ray,
go ahead and release.
very good. All right, any questions regarding the AP chest? It's just like the PA chest, just everything's flipped around. All right, thank you.